All right, so if anybody's interested in or thinking about buying a front bumper from MBI Auto, I believe it's called, from eBay, they sell painted front bumpers. Mine just came in the mail. I paid a little bit extra for the premium because I know the economy shipping, they fold it all up, and people said that it's come out good. You have to let it sit out, and there were minor imperfections, but I'm kind of building a show car here, so I'm about to wide body the car, and the wide body kit comes with the new lip for my Tesla Model 3, and I used to have a different lip that used to drill. I used to have to drill holes in the very bottom, so the new lip will expose my holes that I've drilled because it actually comes down. It doesn't cover up like this one. So I paid extra for the economy shipping, and let's take a look and see how it came out. Yeah, I didn't see a lot of videos on the premium. I just saw everyone using the economy. So, with the premium, they say they put an extra layer of clear coat, and it's not folded up. So some people say that the regular versions, the economy, has like imperfections, and I didn't really want that. Although I'm going to PPF the whole car after the wide body kit's put on, so you won't see it either way. But I just wanted it to come out a little better. So we'll find out now if it's actually worth it. Cut this here. All right. Smells like paint to me, like fresh paint. Yeah, that looks good. I have to say, that looks really, really good. Oh yeah, that looks looks better than what I've got now. I don't see any runs. I don't see any orange peel. Yeah, that looks amazing, to be honest. And yeah, I have a 2018 Model 3, so I have parking sensors. The newer models, I believe after, I think 2021 or 2022, they don't have the sensors, so I picked the one with the sensor holes. So yeah, if you want to know what the premium look like, it comes unfolded, and the paint looks perfect. This is gonna be awesome. I'm pretty excited.